babe, what do we got to do today? What's on the schedule?
We have grocery shopping to do today.
Laundry shopping.
We have to prepare and cook dinner. And we have so much to do today.
I got a better idea, babe. Screw all that. Let's go camping.
Really? Camping? Can we do that today?
Yeah, you know what? Let's just make it happen. Grocery shopping, laundry, camping. Let's pull in and never pull out.
We're going camping today? Yeah! All right. I guess we'll see you at the campground.
Yes, we are here camping. See, babe?
We are.
Isn't this way better than what your plans were?
Yes, way better.
Hey, but babe.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this is great, right? This is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But those chores are still going to be there when we get back.
But I'm not even worried about it. So.
Yeah, let's just take it day by day.
Yeah, we're going to take
one
it
day at a time. Is that what they say? And enjoy what we like doing the most. And to
that
me,
is-
you know, this is what it's all about. Just relaxing, and you got the fire going. And this is the same park, the same spot.
Charlestown.
Yeah, we love the spot. It's a home away from home, I guess
Yeah.
we can call it now. And
Yeah.
we love doing the same old nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, so that's what we're celebrating today. But very relaxed. And I think, I don't know if you can see my sweat.
Yeah,
It
no, we
is
are
hot.
we are burning up.
Yeah, we did have a blazing fire going, and kind of died down before I got the camera actually died on me, so I got the camera
Yeah.
going up again. And so we got it going up again, and the thing is dead, but this is like number
That's number 4
5.
for you.
number 4 for me, and
Yeah.
I'm just kind of laid back, and I can see the sun is finally going down a little bit. You can feel it cooling off. The van AC is on. Don't know if you can hear it. It's
probably
like
shouldn't.
It's like an ice cube in there.
That is so
Yeah.
good. I'm so glad. Although I have to tell you, the flying bugs are worse this trip than they've ever been.
Yes. So, oh man,
We've
I
had
don't even
something
wanna talk
called
about-
a deer horsefly or whatever.
Yeah, this one lady
Yeah.
told us about these horse flies. My idea of a horse fly was totally different from what she said, and then we kind
Yeah.
of Googled it.
And then we were like,
I was like, oh,
that's
yeah,
what it
yeah, that's
is.
what it was. She said they bite, and they
Yeah.
really
like
make
aggressive.
you bleed and
yeah.
stuff like that, right? So I was like, okay, I'm glad we didn't get bit. But that aside, it seems like they're actually kind of going away, right? You look at the table, babe. It looks
Yeah.
like they might be going home.
Oh, because it's starting to the sun's gonna come down.
So
go down.
I could feel the coolness going, and it just feels great.
Yeah.
Screw them task.
Yeah.
Eating dinner,
Chores.
laundry.
We can eat dinner here.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some hot dogs.
Yeah,
At the
I prefer.
campfire.
You know what? I prefer a campfire hot dog over a meal at home
Yeah, we
because that means that you're camping.
just love it. Just love it. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. We're a new channel. We're up and coming. We're trying to grow. And
We are.
if you made it this far to the video, you like us. And
Yeah.
I want to actually use this time to give a couple of shout outs. You want to do that, babe?
Yeah. We want to give a couple shout outs.
Okay. Shout out number 1.
Is going to be Mando Van Adventures.
Yes, yes.
Him, Rusty, and Kristen. They are wonderful to watch. Rusty has given us a great idea to start putting, those little slap wrist bracelets on our steering wheel to remind us of
Little task.
little tasks that we realized that today that we need those things, like the DNR card. We need that.
Yeah, yeah. So
And,
slap wristbands maybe coming soon.
Yeah. But they're really interesting to watch. Just make sure you go over there and check them out too. We really enjoy watching them.
And we shouted out before RV Jedi.
Yeah,
You know,
RV
we love
Jedi.
you over there doing what you're doing.
Whatever he's doing. Yeah.
We actually we have to watch you together like it's a movie.
Yeah, we do. Well, we do that with Mando too.
Yeah, we do.
We wait.
We
until
wait
we're together.
until we're together, and then we kind
then
of
we
like,
watch
all right,
them.
you ready? It's almost like
Yeah.
watching a major feature or
Yeah,
something like
and then
that.
rolling with them Browns. We like them.
Yeah, we like rolling with them Browns.
And then wherever we land. I think
wherever
it
we
is.
land.
Yeah.
And we need
We like
them
them.
to drop a video, but living with the Jeffries.
Living with the Jeffries.
Yeah. Yeah,
We're
it's a
waiting
cool
for them to
channel.
drop the video.
Yeah.
And then there is, I cannot think of the name of the channel. The one where the fellow was in the military. And they were.
I can't think of the name of them either. Why is that? We got to get you on the next video. 'Cause I
yeah.
am not going to be able to
We're gonna
think
have
the
to
name
get
of
you on the
it.
next video. Like,
And,
there's
what?
several people.
Yeah,
that
there's
we
a
watch.
lot of people. This is like top of the brain.
Yeah, the
top,
people that really kind of, come over and kind of
And-
show us support. and
Yeah,
stuff.
so really appreciate you. It's like cool getting that support. Oh, and the Van Kaskis.
Yes, the Van Castles.
for
Now,
sure.
we've been watching them for a little while too. Excuse me.
Take Two.
Yeah.
We've been watching them for a little while too.
Yeah, we've been watching them for a little while too. And we like watching them. They just made the most recent video they made was that they quit. They quit their jobs.
And
was a great video. I think that video was the best video that they had on their entire channel. I love that video.
Yeah, because I think it touches home to everybody. Even if you're doing it part-time, you're always thinking in the back of your head, like, can I do this full-time? I would love to do this full-time. How could I do this full-time? What to do if I were to do this full-time? So now we can actually watch them and see how they kind of do it. Because guess what? I'll be going full-time as well in a few months. So, yeah. And it's kind of a little scary because there's a lot of things that I don't know or have checked to do, and that's what they're kind of mentioned in their last video. So it'll be interesting. So if you want to see how that goes, subscribe and hit the bell, hit the notification bell, because that's coming soon to this channel right here. It'll be interesting for sure, man. There's a lot of things I'm just gonna wing, and still trying to figure out everything, the money situation, of course, the big thing.
That's the biggest,
right? And then working stuff, where you're gonna put your stuff. The van gonna hold up. I worry about the winter, and like I already ripped off my heating thing. I gotta get, I guess I'll be doing this with no water in the van, I'm guessing, just keep it winterized since my heating pads are screwed. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Stay tuned, because it's going to be playing it by ear, and maybe they can give me the lead, and I can say, oh, yeah. All right, I won't forget that. Yeah, okay, you got to do that. Yeah, all right, so they kind of might throw a couple pointers in there on what to do. But it's a little scary moment, but I think I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. It's going to happen. Yeah, right around November. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned to that.
All right, so that's it. If we didn't mention, we watched a whole bunch of people, but those are people that's at the top of our thing. There's other people, otherwise we'll be here all day. And I can't even remember half of you guys.
Well, we remember your videos.
Yes, we remember the videos, but I just don't remember. If we ever go to the meetup, I'll be like,
What's your name again?
Okay. I'll be like, babe, get them to kind of announce their name.
Yeah, because we've done that before. But with meeting people.
And then she'll say, hey, I'm Deborah from what the hell is our name? See, this is what I'm talking about.
VanLife Introvert.
From VanLife Introverts. And they'll say, nice to meet you. And we won't be able to get their names.
We won't be able to get their names. So,
oh my God.
There are people that watch us, we know, like, as soon as a video will come out, we know that there are people that will watch our video all the way through. And Mando Van Adventures are definitely one of those that do watch our videos.
Yeah,
all
so
the way
really
through.
Appreciate you, Rusty and Kristen. Yeah, really appreciate
Very
you.
much so.
Yeah, especially being a small channel. Like,
yeah, no, we're...
I mean, I think they started watching. We had like maybe 20 subs, 10 subs.
Maybe.
I mean, we only got, as of this moment, I think we got 75. So we're up and coming. I think our videos get like 30 views a video.
Yeah.
But
that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. We're putting in the work, like everybody did.
Yeah, like
everybody started from 1 or 0, and they're working it on. So
and we're genuine, and we show you the real life stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Oh, yeah. And Rusty, if you're watching, these are the new mics. So we've been using them for the whole video. So what do you think? I can't even remember the name of it, but
They are...
I'll put it in the description.
Newer.
Oh, yeah, Newer. What's the... Okay, Newer what? Newer 28 Pro.
Oh.
Something like that. I'll put it in the description. Not a sponsor, or not going to make money from the link, but I'll put it in the description, and
just so you're aware.
Yeah, just so you're aware, and anybody else, saved a buck or two, and I think they do actually a pretty good job. A lot of people reviewing it on YouTube liked it, so I was like, hey, I'll get these, and also that they was on sale for that Amazon Prime Day, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up. So what do you think? All right, so yeah, once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that made it this far for sure.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
All right. Bye.
See ya. Hey.
What?
You know, you ever know what you wanted to say, but you just can't say it? Maybe because you had about 4 or 5. If you want to camp, just do it. Like, that's what we did today for the most part.
He surprised me, actually.
Yeah. I surprised her earlier this week, and then it's like, we are camping.
Yeah,
you know
it was on a Thursday.
Yeah.
He messaged me.
I sent her the
reservation. Sent me a reservation.
And it just got
And I was like,
excited,
oh my gosh,
so.
yes. I was so excited because I really do enjoy it.
Because those chores that we mentioned in the beginning, that was the real Saturday. That was not going to happen. I needed to just wind down and just do something you love. So if you love it, go do it.
We love doing it together.
Yeah. So go do it. That was the message when I was like,
yes, he remembered.
Just do it. Like, thank you. All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.